Hello guys, I'll show you in this video how to trade on your demo account, how to do demo trading using Tradingview platform. So I'll share the screen. So this is how your Tradingview would look like once you open it. Just type tradingview.com and you will open this. Make sure that you have signed up before so that you are logged in. So your name should come here. Okay. So you should be signed in. The first thing what you have to do is directly go to charts. Okay. So all the charts will open here and you can make a list of your stocks or currencies or index on this panel on your right side. So if you have to add anything, you can add it by clicking here and you can just type the instrument which you follow very frequently. So rather typing it again and again every day, you can just have a list of it. So you can also categorize in terms of its markets like Nifty 50 and then Forex and then commodities like that. You can also categorize or you can keep it in one pool itself. So that's up to you. If you want, you can create that list by just adding here. Okay. Apart from that, your main video is to show you how to do the demo trading. So that is through this paper trading. So you have to go to paper trading panel and first thing here it's already reset. I'll show you how to reset it again. Just go to this settings and just go to reset trade paper trading account. The first time when you will open, I think it will show you $100,000. Just you don't need to trade on that much amount. You just go to reset and you would just make it to 10,000. 10,000 should be good enough. Reset it to 10,000, just click on reset and the account will reset here. A new account will come with no zero position, zero orders and everything. Once you start taking the trade, positions will be shown here. Okay. Now, another thing is to understand how to take a trade, and I'll minimize this for now. So let's open anything. Okay. Let's open 4 hourly, let's say gold. We have to take a trade. So any instrument you can trade in the first month in demo trading, whichever instruments you are interested in. There are there. I mean there are all the instruments, be it stocks, futures, forex, CFDs. Everything is there. So whatever you are interested in, you can trade. If you're just interested in Indian market, you can go for that as well. So let's say you want to trade HDFC. Okay, and let's say we have got till now you have learned about swing high swing low setup. See, here was a swing high swing low setup. Swing low, higher swing low, breakout of swing high, confirms for buy here and market has gone up. Now again, let's assume, though this is not a proper swing setup, I mean it has to break the swing low. Let's say it has broken the swing low and you have to take a short setup, sell setup. Okay, what you have to do is right click and go to trade, right? And just click on, if you want to buy, like click on create new order. Don't go for limit and stop for now. That will be told to you a little later. Just go for create new order. This panel will open. Okay. Once you have to take a sell, just click on sell. If you have to take a buy, click on buy. So in this case, let's say we are taking a sell setup. Okay, let it be on market. Don't go for limit and stop orders in the first month. Just go for instant market executions. Okay, first thing what you have to fill in is the stop loss value. So let's say when we are taking the trade here, our stop loss has to be placed above the swing high, which is around this level. The price is 1427.35. This is the main thing which you have to remember. Just go to price and click on this and just add the price 1427. I think it was, let me just check it again, 1427.35. You can add the exact value also. Now next thing what you have to see is percentage risk. What is coming is 0.64. Okay, you have to make sure it is around 2%, not more than 2%. It can be anything in between 1.5 to 2%. Because if you remember, we mentioned that every trade you should not be taking more than 2% risk. but it should not be less than 0.1, less than 1 also. So try to keep your risk around 1 to 2% in between that. So what we'll do is we'll increase or decrease the volume such that this is around 2%. Okay, so I increase 10, it became 6%. So if I keep 300 units, it is 1.95. So you play around with the volume till the time it is not coming around 2%. Once it is around 2%, that volume you can use it. Okay, so 300 units is what it is, around 1.95%. You have nothing to do with pips, you have nothing to do with anything else. You just place the stop loss price here. Okay, and your percentage accordingly will keep changing when you keep playing around with the units. Okay, so since it is under the risk under 2%, just click on sell. Okay, so you will get these notification. Also you will get a, you can see your position. Can you see? Initially it was 0, now it is 1. There's one position which is running here. And since the market is moving, see, you can keep seeing the changes. Just now it's minus 0.2. Once it starts falling, you will start seeing the profits as well. So your stop loss is placed, you have entered at this price, right? Later strategies, when you'll be learning from week 2 onwards, you'll be learning how to place the take profit. Then we'll also have the take profits and everything. But for now, stop loss is very important. Stop loss has to be there. So you will keep seeing the changes. Once the setup is, goes in our favor, you keep trailing, you keep shifting the stop loss. In order to shift the stop loss, you just have to go to edit. Okay, this pencil mark, not the cross mark. Be careful. If you will click on the cross one, it will just close the trade. So go on this one and you can just change the price. Let's say you want to make it to 126 now. Okay, you want to shift the stop loss to 1426. Okay, so just change it and modify it and it will shift. Your stop loss will shift. Okay, your stop loss will trail. So initially it was 27, you made it to 26. You can keep shifting the stop loss. So you just have to go to modify to shift your stop loss. Like you learned, let's say the market has moved in your favor and now you have to shift your stop loss so that the trade is break even. So you just modify, go to modify and place the stop loss, the new stop loss price value, and it will be shifted. Okay, so this is how you would have to take a trade. Let me take another example. Let me take off some other, let me take off, let's say gold. Okay, so there's no swing high, swing low setup currently. Let me go to 15 minutes and see if there's any swing high, swing low setup, right? See, it has broken the previous swing low. So it is confirming for sell. So swing high. So though here the main setup you got swing high, swing low, breakout of, swing high, lower swing high, breakout of swing low, confirms for sell here. Likewise, the trade has been running. Okay. Just now also you have got an entry in this because this is a swing high. This is the swing low. And this is a swing high and this is a lower swing high, and the swing low is broken by this candle close, right? So let's say we have to take a sell again. So again, step by step, just right click. Okay, go to trade, go to create new order. This panel will open and then just you have to choose buy or sell. Go for sell. And the first thing what you have to place is the price. Okay, the price will be, what is the price? Let me check. 1865. Okay, just place your price around here, which is 1865. 1865.70. 0.70. Okay, and see, this is the risk. If I make it to 10, my risk is 0.62, right? Let's say I make it to, just a second. Let me open it again. Right click, Go to trade, create new order, go to sell. Okay. Let's say you are taking a volume of, no, before going to volume, just first put the price. Okay. Price is 1865. Let's say you're putting as the stop loss. Okay. Currently it is zero 0.5. It should be around when the volume is around 10. Okay. So let's make it to 25. Volume is around 0.46. I think we can make it to 30. It should be under 2. It's 1.77. So this much is good enough. Around 2 it is. If you want the exact, you can change, keep changing the units. 35. I think 30 is good enough. Okay, it's around 1.8. So here the volume is played around. We have played it as per the risk changing. Okay, first thing what you have done is you have just put the stop loss value, which is 1865 here, and then you have just keep changing the volume here till the time it reaches around 2. Okay, near to 2, 1.5 to 2. Just click on this sell setup. See, here we have a sell, we have a stop loss, and we have another trade which is of XAU USD, right? So again, this trade is running. So this is how your trades will be uh, taken. Once you close the trade, let's say we close this trade, okay? Manually, we got a manual exit. Let's say we close this trade, right? Once you close your position, so there's something called partial position. If you want to close half of your trade, then you can click on this and you can click on whatever units you want to close. Let's say I want to close 100 units of it, not complete 300, where I want to close 100 units of it. So partial closing will happen. Can you see? Now 300 has become 200. Okay. And you can see everything in the history. Okay, these are two orders. This is a journal. Okay, so account history is something where you will see the trade has been closed with this much loss and how many units are closed, 100 shares are closed, right? So according, you will see everything in your account history. Running positions you can see on your on this one positions, all right? So this is how you can keep doing your demo trading. Just keep getting used to your platform. You can take any currency, any commodity. You just have to keep put the stop loss value in the price section and then let the volume be changed as per the risk percentage. Just watch this video again and again to have a better idea, and make sure that you are not crossing 2%. Try to keep your percentage risk in between 1.5 to 2%. So yeah, that's about it. So make sure to practice it. If you're not sure about the trade also, it's a demo trading platform. Make sure to get into the habit of executing the trades. Okay, so this is all about it. And just keep trading. Any more doubts, you can keep posting on it on the WhatsApp group. Thank you guys.